Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good, thanks. How are you?
Good. Good. Is this your first test?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
One quick question.
Sure.
So, at the uncontrolled intersection,
Mm-hmm.
if at all there is no traffic, I go with caution
Yes.
and I don't have to necessarily stop.
Correct.
Okay. Perfect.
Yep. Yep. As long as we can see clearly, we'll keep on going unless there's someone we need to yield
Awesome.
to. Yep. Okay. So you can take those documents and you can set them somewhere you're going to remember they're at, so we don't lose any of them. Those are pretty important. Huh? Okay. And then we're going to start with this here. So I'm just going to ask you things, and I want you to show me where they are and how they work inside this vehicle. So how do you adjust your seat?
I have a knob here which allows me to move forward and back.
Perfect. And your seatbelt is on.
Yep.
Perfect. Where's your emergency brake?
Emergency brake at my left foot.
Okay. And you would push it. Okay. How do you turn on your low beams, your low headlights?
Low beams. This is the low beam. I see a symbol on the dashboard.
And then high beams?
I see a blue light there.
Okay. All right. So 4 ways? Or your hazard lights? Okay. Thank you. Your horn? Your windshield wipers?
Yeah. This is for a single time, and this is like continuously after 10 seconds.
Okay.
For continuously, and this is for heavy rains.
All right. And then where is your defrost, your front defrost?
This is
Okay. And then how do you adjust the fan speed?
this.
Thank you. How do you adjust your mirrors?
I have left and right controls here. I mean up, down, left,
Thank
and
you. And last one, where is your fuel gauge?
it's right in front of me. There.
Perfect. All done with that part. Okay. So for the road test today, I'm just going to be giving you directions. So left, right now, point. If I don't say anything, you're just going to keep going.
Okay.
If I do say stop at any point in time, make sure you stop immediately.
Okay.
And then the most important part of the test is observation.
Okay.
So what I mean by that is make sure you're checking your blind spot. Make sure you're watching out for pedestrians. Read the signs and signals. Okay?
Sure.
And then every road inside of the course is at least 4 lanes wide.
Okay.
So when you're driving, somebody should always be able to travel in the same direction with you at the same time.
Okay.
So pick a lane.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. So any last minute questions before we take off?
No, I'm good.
This one is not yours. Alright, so when you're ready, we're going to exit out of here to the left. First road here, we're going to turn left. So we got a left and a left. So this road here, we'll turn left.
Okay.
Turning left. At this road, we'll turn right.
Okay.
This road will turn right. We're going to use the poles right here, and we're going to do a 90-degree back. So we'll start straight ahead, and then we'll back all the way between the poles.
Okay. Sorry, can you readjust, please?
Whatever you'd normally do. When you're set, we'll exit out to the right.
Okay.
At this road, we'll turn right.
Okay.
We're gonna do an uphill park right along our curb here. So anywhere along this curb, uphill. All right, when you're set, we'll continue. At this first road, we'll turn right. At this road, we'll turn left. We'll be turning left.
Yeah.
This road, we'll turn right. This road will turn right. This road will turn left. This road will turn left.
Okay.
We're going to use these poles right here. We're going to do our parallel park. At this road, we'll turn left. At this road, we'll turn right. This road will turn right. And this road will turn right. And we'll park along the curb. Okay. All right. So right turns were great. I don't have any comments on those. Your left turns themselves were really good, but there was a couple times where we did forget our signal. So make sure you're getting that on for those lefts, okay?
Yep.
So we had one lane change, and it was on the one way. We started to move and then realized we hadn't looked yet, and then hurried up and looked.
Okay.
Make sure you look before you move.
Sure,
Okay, it was
sure.
the only time we did that. So just make sure every time you're moving, you're looking first.
Yep. Sure.
And then we had a no signal, and that was actually right before we didn't use the signal for a turn. So just make sure you're getting that signal on, okay?
Yep.
But you did pass the test today.
Oh, perfect.
So